In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on one of those themes to pick a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, choose Apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!